Thank you for watching Syrian Eats. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button, turn your notifications on so you can get the latest recipes. Our recipe today is a traditional grilled chicken recipe called Shish Tawouk. Today I'm going to show you how we're going to marinate the chicken and then also top it off with the red pepper paste pita. Start out by adding 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil to 2 pounds of chicken breasts. Notice that I cut my chicken breasts in large size cubes just like this. Then add 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of Aleppo pepper, which is optional, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Then add 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of sumac, and 3/4 of a tablespoon of salt. Then add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, and 2 tablespoons of pepper paste. I used 1 tablespoon of mild and 1 tablespoon of hot. Then add half a cup of plain yogurt and juices of half a lemon. Mix all your ingredients together and let it marinate in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. It tastes best being marinated overnight. After marinating them, grill them until fully cooked. Now for our pepper paste pita, add about 1 tablespoon of hot or mild pepper paste and about 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Give it a good mix, and then we're going to add it to our pita. And then add some chopped parsley and close the pita on each other. You want to grill this bread for a little bit as well. It looks like our chicken is fully cooked and ready to serve. Thank you for watching this simple and easy recipe. I hope you enjoy making it at home.